Want to save more money but don't know where to start? You're not alone. So many people struggle to manage their money effectively. It's tough to stay organized, track your spending, and resist those tempting impulse purchases. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? We're talking about budgeting apps, your secret weapon to finally take control of your finances. In this video, I'm diving deep into the top budgeting apps of 2024, breaking down their best features, pros and cons, and showing you exactly how they can help you dominate your finances. First up, we have Mint, a true titan in the budgeting app world. Mint connects directly to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts, giving you a complete, real-time picture of your financial situation. One of the things I love most about Mint is its automatic transaction categorization. It learns your spending habits over time and automatically categorizes your transactions, making it super easy to see where your money is going. Plus, Mint sends you personalized insights and alerts, like if you're approaching your budget limit or if there's suspicious activity on your accounts. Mint also offers free credit score tracking, bill payment reminders, and even personalized financial advice. Millions of people trust Mint with their financial information, and they've got a stellar track record of keeping it safe. Next, we're taking a look at YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB takes a unique approach to budgeting, focusing on the idea of giving every single dollar you earn a specific job. This means allocating every dollar to a specific expense category, like rent, groceries, or even that trip to Hawaii you've been dreaming of. What sets YNAB apart is its emphasis on proactive budgeting. Instead of just tracking your spending after the fact, YNAB encourages you to plan your spending in advance and make conscious decisions about where your money goes. YNAB isn't free like Mint, but they offer a free trial so you can test it out and see if it's the right fit for you. Their motto is gain total control of your money, and that's exactly what YNAB empowers you to do. If you're looking for a budgeting app that goes beyond the basics and dives deep into your investments, then Personal Capital is the one for you. This app is like having a personal financial advisor right in your pocket, offering comprehensive investment tracking, analysis, and even personalized advice from real financial professionals. With Personal Capital, you can link all your investment accounts, including 401(k)s, IRAs, and taxable brokerage accounts, to get a complete view of your investment portfolio. The app then analyzes your portfolio's performance, asset allocation, and fees, providing valuable insights to help you optimize your investments and reach your financial goals faster. Personal Capital is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to take control of their investments and make sure their money is working as hard as possible for them. In a world of increasing data breaches and online security threats, it's more important than ever to choose apps that prioritize the safety and security of your personal information. That's where PocketGuard comes in. This app takes security seriously, employing robust encryption, multi-factor authentication, and other industry-standard security measures to protect your data. But PocketGuard isn't just about security. It's also incredibly user-friendly and easy to navigate. PocketGuard connects to your financial accounts and automatically tracks your income and expenses. PocketGuard also offers features like bill negotiation, where they'll contact your service providers to try to lower your monthly bills, and subscription management, which helps you identify and cancel any unwanted subscriptions you might have forgotten about. If you're looking for a secure, easy-to-use budgeting app that takes the guesswork out of managing your money, PocketGuard is definitely worth checking out. Last but not least, we have Good Budget, an app that takes a more traditional approach to budgeting, inspired by the envelope system. With Good Budget, you create virtual envelopes for different spending categories and allocate a specific amount of money to each envelope. As you make purchases throughout the month, you deduct the amount from the corresponding envelope. This visual approach to budgeting can be incredibly helpful for people who prefer a more tangible way to track their spending. You can share your budget with your partner, family members, or roommates, allowing everyone to track spending, stay on the same page, and work together towards shared financial goals. While Good Budget might not have all the bells and whistles of some of the other apps on this list, its simplicity, collaborative features, and unique approach to budgeting make it a solid choice for anyone looking to get a handle on their finances. So there you have it, the top budgeting apps of 2024. From comprehensive financial management to simple envelope-style budgeting, there's an app out there for everyone, regardless of their financial situation or tech savviness. The key is to find the one that best fits your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember, the best budgeting app is the one you'll actually use consistently. So take advantage of those free trials, explore the features, and start taking control of your finances today. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. Happy budgeting!